eMaint is a big help with asset lifecycle maintenance. We can track how old our equipment is, and we can look back and see, well, this piece of equipment's, might have been in the fleet for a long time, but it's really been hardly no problems with it. It's been running great. And why is that? Are we doing something over here? The eMaint has been pretty helpful. It allows us to capture the true cost when we complete a work order. We do have an inventory of parts that I do update the prices on a somewhat regular basis, and it allows us to capture the cost of the parts as well as our mechanics' time when they're doing the repairs. We've been able to really reduce our maintenance cost overall, and we've drastically reduced the amount of downtime our field associates have had. But we've also started being able to data mine it a little bit, and we've been able to provide ownership with cost of use, cost of ownership, as well as utilization. I work closely with the accounting department. We can provide numbers so they can come up with equipment utilization, and it allows ownership to determine how they want to spend money in CapEx. Using eMaint in our capital expenditures planning for the year to year has been really a game changing. We can run reports on our older equipment, see what's coming up that we might need to replace, run reports on problematic equipment. We can determine if we're truly making money off of a piece of equipment, if it's profitable, or if the maintenance costs are just too much. If it's doing really well, then maybe we can transfer to a different type of equipment. Are our PMs in the correct intervals? Those type of things. Are we using the right parts when we're doing replacements? So we've been able to kind of analyze that and extend our life cycle on a lot of equipment, as well as justifying when it is time to replace something. If there's hesitation to want to spend the money through CapEx to replace it, we can easily show that it's definitely worth it. This engine's 15 years old, another one's gonna cost this, but we expect to get every bit of that life out of it. And it makes explaining those purchases a lot easier in ownership. We're very proud of the amount of downtime we've eliminated, very proud of being able to provide metrics to different parts of our organization. Everybody uses eMaint in our organization for a different reason. Our field crew coordinators use an eMaint to check on the equipment status. Can they send a crew out tomorrow? Is that boat repaired? What's available to them? Our project managers are using eMaint. If we have a client that needs a certain specific information for our equipment before it goes on their project, they don't have to make 5 phone calls. They can go on eMaint and look and get all the information out of eMaint. They need that. Accounting, if they need to update their numbers when they're trying to provide utilization, they can easily run reports in eMaint and see that. And then ownership really enjoys seeing the different things we can do for it. And every time they call with a question, we're always very happy that we can answer them. We know for a fact we're saving money. Our downtime is down significantly. Our uptime is very high. And being able to justify purchases, I think, allows ownership to spend money much more confidently now, knowing what we need, and also knowing that we'll tell them, no, we don't need to make this purchase that this person's requesting. We can move assets because we know where they're at. We have them tracked in eMaint. We can move them over to you, and that's reduced our amount of capital expenditures.